Several passengers on board a Japan Airlines flight were shooting cell phone video as the flight was taxiing on the runway in Seattle.
Oh my God.
Their flight clipped the tail of a Delta Airlines plane on February 5th.
The plane just kind of jolted. It felt like we were in a car accident, like a fender bender.
Both airlines put out statements claiming there were no injuries. Seattle lawyer Anthony Marsh says that's wrong.
You think about people, their adrenaline is pumping. In this particular case, our clients are flying to Mexico for a family vacation. So you don't necessarily feel it right away, but they did, especially after landing.
The suit filed on behalf of Danielle Robertson, her husband, and 2 children, alleges they suffered serious injuries. The lawsuit alleges that Delta's crew positioned the plane improperly, while the Japan Airlines crew failed to avoid the other plane on the ground.
She had her daughter on her lap when they felt this impact suddenly. And so you get that kind of sort of initial jolt, kind of like a whiplash motion like you'd experience in a motor vehicle crash.
Several passengers on board the Japan Airlines flight spoke to King 5 in the hours following the incident.
I looked at the right wing and I was like, I think we're going to hit that. And we ended up hitting it.
The plane just came to an abrupt stop. And then people were looking out the window, realized that we had contacted the Delta plane.
While, according to the airlines, no one was taken to the hospital in the moments after the incident. The suit alleges that negligence on behalf of both airlines is in fact to blame for both physical injury and emotional distress.
A key component to this lawsuit will be the findings of the NTSB investigation. That investigation is ongoing. It should produce a result naming a party or a cause at fault for this collision. Those investigations generally take several weeks, if not months. Joyce?
So are the plaintiffs asking for anything else, Sebastian, besides money?
They are, the attorneys in that suit, asking the courts to mandate additional training for both airlines in an attempt to prevent an incident like this from happening again. Joyce?
That's CTech tonight for us, Sebastian. Thank you.